Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I really wanted to try some creative makeup looks. So today, this makeup is kind of inspiring like spring. I try to do like some kind of flowers. And I'm no expert in creative makeups, so I am learning while I'm doing this video with you guys. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like more of these kind of videos and learn with me, then let me know down below in the comments and we'll do more together. I hope that you guys like this video, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'll start by taking a nude eyeshadow just kind of as a base to enhance the color that we're going to be using. And I'll apply this all over the eyelid, and I already primed with some foundation on the eye. Then I'll go ahead and start applying the blue eyeshadow all over the eyelid. If you want to know what eyeshadow I'm using the eyeshadows from the Charlse palette. Honestly, like, these eyeshadows are very pigmented, so I do love them, especially if you're doing like a colorful look like this. Now I'm gonna drag it a little bit on the outside as well. I'm also gonna go outside on the inner corner a little bit. Now taking a shimmery shade, it's also gonna be blue one, and I'm gonna apply on the outer corner of the eye. And time to draw some flowers. I'm first gonna try with this white eyeliner, and if it doesn't work out, I think we're gonna go and do it with concealer first and do this over. So let's try doing one of them. It looks more like a star, but we're gonna fix it. Maybe I need to sharpen this and make sure it's super thin. I did around 3 to 4 flowers on each side of the eye, and then I applied some blue shadow on my lower lash line, making sure everything is even and looking good. And then finally, we're cleaning the fallout with a beauty blender and this concealer. I felt like the flowers weren't enough on the top of the eyelid, so I decided to add 2 more under my lower lash line. And I tried to do the same concept with my white eyeliner and try to make it look like a flower. I know they look like stars, but after we draw the center, they will look a lot more like flowers. And to make them look a lot more like flowers, I combined yellow and orange eyeshadow from that same Charlse palette and added on the center of the flower with a small thin brush. And like you can see, they're looking a lot more like flowers now. You can use either just yellow, but I decided to mix in a little bit of orange right there. Once that is done, I can finish the rest of the makeup, and I am contouring now and blending it in with the beauty blender. And then after that, I apply some blush and making sure everything looks good. I usually like to use some eyeliner for my looks, but for this, we're just gonna use falsies, and these are for Glamnetic, super easy to apply. Finally, we're applying some highlighter, and these are honestly one of my favorites, so I decided to go ahead and also apply it on the inner corner of my eyes, and it adds a lot to the look. I feel like it looks so cute. It's kind of like a white eyeshadow, but not really. It's just highlighter, and I make sure I blend it in. Last but not least, we'll apply some lip gloss. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really want to be doing a lot more of this creative makeup look, so let me know in the comments if you would like me to do that. And I think it would also be really nice for me to like practice a little bit more with makeup and doing this kind of look. So if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do so on the button down below so you don't miss any of these next videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.